So today we're here to do the test on our instrumented obstacle to ensure that we can add up to 3 obstacles to the system without causing any problems with the wireless transmission. So basically what I have here is I have the obstacle itself, and I have also 2 dummy obstacles because it would be costly to develop and time consuming to develop 3 actual obstacles just for this test. So essentially what I have is this dummy obstacle module that spits out predefined sets of data that are very similar to what the real obstacle would send out. And I have another one right here. Since I can't power it, I don't have enough wall warts, I'm going to power it off the laptop. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to open up Minicom, set it up correctly, as I have done, and turn on all 3 of the obstacles, and then view the log file, see if all 9 of the sensors show up in the data that is logged. So I have Minicom running. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the obstacle itself, and if you take a quick look at the data here, you can see that it's working. The obstacle is transmitting data and responding to inputs. Next, I'm going to power on dummy obstacle B here, and then more data pops up. That's all the data coming from this sensor. And I'm going to power on finally dummy obstacle A. And again, it's going to start transmitting even more data. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and quit out of Minicom. I'm going to let that log for a second. Quit out of Minicom and view the capture file. Wrong file.
Okay. So the first part of that is to put the switch. We have our switch mounted in the back. And then plugging into the USB.
Technical issues here.
So this will basically test that.
As you can see, I'm going to go and search for each sensor. So S0 shows up, S1 shows up a bunch, S2 shows up, okay, S3 is also in there, S4 shows up, S5 is also logged, S6, S7, and S8. Now these 3 are going to show up in unequal amounts because the data rates that I send with are different, but they're all there, and I can equalize the data rates, and they should all be nice. But that's basically the test ensuring that all 3 of these sensors, or all 3 of these obstacles can be added to the system without causing any major issue with the wireless communication.